Good morning, my dear little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good at your home, right? I am Harjeet ma'am. Children, today we are going to learn number 10 in maths. Yes, but before that, we will revise numbers from 1 to 9, which we have learned in earlier sessions. Yes. So, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we will see some objects related to numbers 1 to 9. This is number 1. 1 means one object. Now see, there is one apple. This is number 2. 2 means two objects. 1, 2. There are two boats. This is number 3. 3 means three objects. Yes. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice cream cones. This is number 4. 4 means 4 objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 houses. This is number 5. 5 means 5 objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls. Now children, tell me what comes after 5? Yes, correct. 6. This is 6. Yes, 6 means 6 objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cars. What comes after 6? Yes, 7. This is number 7. Yes, 7 means 7 objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 lollipops. This is number 8. Yes, 8 means 8 objects. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 bananas. This is number 9. Yes, 9 means 9 objects. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 balloons. Now it's time to learn a new number, that is 10. That is 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Say with me. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. 1 you already know. 0 is simple. Yes, बच्चों, जब 0 अकेला होता है, अलग होगा, तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. हाँ, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. 0 मीन्स नथिंग, कुछ नहीं. पर जब ये 1 के पीछे लग जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा 1, 0, 10. Children, now can you show me your fingers like this? Yes. Now close it, open it. Close it, open it. Yes. चलो एक मैजिक करें. बहुत पसंद आएगा आपको. Ready? So close your eyes in this way. बच्चों, आंखें नहीं खोलना. रुको रुको. Wait, wait, wait. Open your eyes and see what I have. Yes, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers and 10 numbers. Right? Now let's count the different objects of number 10. This is number 10. This is number 10. 1, 0, 10. Now we will do counting of number 10. Children, आप count करोगे ना मेरे साथ? Very good. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. There are 10 whistles. Now count these torches. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 torches. Children, can you tell me what are these? Wow, correct. These are animals. Yes. Now let's count how many animals are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. These are 10 animals. Yes. अच्छा बताओ मुझे, ये क्या चीज़ है? बताओगे मुझे? ये तो बबल्स हैं. सबको पसंद है ना बबल्स? Now let's count how many bubbles are here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 bubbles. Yes. Here are straws. Now let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, these are 10 straws. Now it's time for practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to count the rabbits and color it nicely. You can do this practice worksheet in your maths class workbook, page number 48. In this worksheet, you have to see the numbers one by one and then match it with the same numbers, right? You can do this practice worksheet in your maths class workbook, page number 52. We will solve this practice worksheet tomorrow. Bye children. Have a nice day.